In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use YouTube videos in NotebookLM. We'll walk through two simple ways to bring a YouTube video into a NotebookLM notebook. First by pasting a link directly, and then by using a helpful browser extension. Follow along and choose the method that fits your workflow best. Start by opening NotebookLM in your browser. On the home screen, create a new notebook so you have a dedicated space for your video notes and sources. When the notebook opens, look for the option to add sources and choose websites. This tells NotebookLM you want to bring in content from a URL. Now switch over to YouTube in another tab, open the video you want to use, and copy its URL from the address bar. Make sure you're on the video's main watch page so the link points directly to that video. Head back to your NotebookLM tab and paste the link into the websites field. Once the link is in place, click Insert. NotebookLM will fetch the video's details and transcript where available, then attach it to your notebook as a source. Give it a moment to process. You'll know it's ready when you see the source listed in your notebook. If you prefer a faster from YouTube workflow, here's the second method. Open the Chrome Web Store and search for the extension called YouTube to NotebookLM. Add it to your browser. This extension places a NotebookLM button right on the YouTube video page, making the handoff seamless. After it's installed, go to a YouTube video and look beneath the player controls. You should see a NotebookLM button positioned between the dislike icon and the share button. Click that NotebookLM button to start the Send to Notebook flow. When prompted, choose Create New Notebook. This will generate a fresh notebook for that video without you needing to copy and paste anything. Once the notebook is created, click into the YouTube notebook that appears. Inside, you'll find the video added as a source, and you can also view a concise summary of the video to get the key points quickly. This makes it easy to orient yourself before you dive deeper into the details. That's it. You can either paste a YouTube link into NotebookLM using the website's option and insert, or install the YouTube to NotebookLM extension, click the NotebookLM button on the video page, and create a new notebook right from YouTube. Pick the path that saves you time, and you'll be ready to organize, review, and work with video content in NotebookLM more efficiently.